A very good afternoon to all of you and welcome back to our channel The Teacher, and in this tutorial I will show you that how you can increase your YouTube views for any specific video using channel pages. So let's dig into it. And here you can see the channel page of The Teacher channel, and you can access this page by going to YouTube and then click on your channel icon and then click on your channel. So basically that is the landing page of your channel, and here you can specify two different videos, two featured videos, one for subscribers and one for new visitors. So before I tell you more about featured videos or channel pages, let me show you a few analytics reports so you may decide that if you should apply this trick on your channel or not. So first of all, here I have the Google Analytics report for my YouTube channel. And if you have not linked your YouTube channel with Google Analytics, then I will advise you to do that so you may have a clear picture about your channel pages. And to do that, you have to go to your channel page, and here you can click on Customize Channel and then click on this gear icon, and under this gear icon you have to click on Advanced Setting under the Customize the layout of your channel. And when you click on this advanced setting, a new page will appear. And if you scroll down, then here you can find this Google Analytics property tracking ID, and you can get that ID from Google Analytics. Scroll down to the bottom. Let me close this behavior section, and here you can see that admin section. Click on it and then go to the property setting, and here you can find that Google tracking ID, and you can copy that ID and then go to your channel advanced settings, and here you can paste that ID and then save the changes. So that way you will have a more clear picture that from where your viewers are coming. So let me show you the report. If I go to the home of the Google Analytics and then I go to the behavior overview, and then I am seeing the report of April month for 21 days of April, and you can see that I got 3,371 views for my channel pages. And to see more deep into this report, you can click on this view full report, and here you can see all the pages, landing pages that the subscriber or new visitor visited on your channel. So specifically I would like to show you the URL of my channel. So let's say if I go to YouTube and then open my channel here. So on your channel page you can see that URL here, this one. And if I go to the Customize Channel again, and then you click on the gear icon, and if you go to the advanced settings of your account, then you can find the exact channel URL here in the advanced setting. As you can see here, channel ID is this and user ID is this, and the same channel ID you can see under the Google Analytics, as you can see here. So why you are seeing so many different URLs here? So if you click on the page title, then you can see the exact name of the link from where the visitors are coming. So as you can see that the different links here, and if I go to the channel analytics of my channel, and here I am seeing the traffic source, and on number 7 you can see the channel pages. So I got 7,840 views from the channel pages, and previously I have shown you that how you can get more views for your latest uploaded video using the recent uploaded end screen element, and I got 3,757 views from end screen. So if I open the details of channel pages, then you can see that from where your visitors are coming. That is not only your channel page, but people can see your videos on other channel pages. So if I scroll down, you can see that more of the views I am getting from the channel pages of my channel. But not only that, you can see other channel names here. They are also displaying anyhow some of my videos on their channel pages. So let's say if I open one of these, PowerPoint University, and if I open his channel, and you can see his channel name here, right here, URL. So then you might see any of your video on their channel pages. So that is why you see a long list of other channel names here, and even in the Google Analytics. So I hope you understand the basic idea of the channel pages. So let me show you the video analytics of last of my videos that I published recently, and one of them is the end screen. And if I show you the reach section of this video, then you can see that channel pages are on top with 45% views and end screen on the number 2 with 14% views. And if I click on see more, then you can see how many views I am getting from the channel pages. That is 640 and 205 views from the end screens. So basically around 900 views I am getting from the channel pages and end screen, and that is the latest uploaded video. So that way you get faster ranking on YouTube and other sources like Google. So it will be better if you place your latest uploaded video on end screens and on the channel pages. So let me close this one, and here I have another video, and if you see the reach section of this video, then you can find that most of the view it is getting from the channel pages. So whenever I publish a new video, I then immediately place that video on the featured section of my channel pages. So I will tell you that how you can do that. So let me show you another video here. 3400 views, and out of which how many view it get from channel pages? 35%. Now I will tell you that how you can feature any of your specific video to your channel pages, and for that click on your channel icon and go to your channel, and then here click on the customize channel. So recently Creator Insider, the YouTube channel which published their video about the YouTube Studio Beta, they recently published a video that they have changed the channel page for the most of the YouTube video who have not customized their channel pages. So here on your channel page you can see two sections here, for returning subscribers and for new visitors. And that is for if you want to show a different video to your subscribers when they land on your channel page, and for new visitor you can show them a separate video. So for that I would also like to show you another report here. So if I click here on the subscription status under the advanced mode of YouTube Analytics, and if I scroll down, then you can see that how many views I am getting from the subscriber in last 20 days, and that is 18,000. And if we see the new visitors, then that is 4,65,663 views. And that is the common thing, that you get more of the views from the new visitor instead of the subscriber. Subscribers help you to get more views for your recent or latest uploaded video. So that analytics will help you to decide that which video you should place for the new visitor and which video you should place for the subscribers. So if we move to the customize your channel page, and here you can click on this pencil icon and then click on the edit button, and here you can choose which video or playlist you want to show to your subscribers. And let's say if I change this to neon animation, click the save button. Then again, if you want to show another heading instead of the title description, then you can also place that heading here, and then click on the save button and save it again. And then don't forget to click the done button. Otherwise, if you change the section here or you change the page URL here, then this setting will not get saved. So you must click on the done button, and then you can decide that which video you want to show to your new visitor. And for that, click on the for new visitor and then click on this pencil icon and then click change trailer. That is your YouTube channel trailer video that will be shown to all the new visitors that land on your channel page. So let's say I change it to neon as well. Click on the save, and that is now on your channel page for the new visitor. So it is obvious that I have placed this how to increase your YouTube views using end screen on my channel page. So that is why it is on number 1 for the time. But now I have changed this to neon, and this video is showing to the subscriber and to the new visitor, and how many new visitors are landing on your channel pages you can see on the Google Analytics page. So in a few days this video will be on number top to get more views from the channel pages. So I hope you got my point. Don't forget to like, share and comment on this video, and do subscribe to my channel for more upcoming tutorial videos. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.